Hello everyone, hope you all are fine. Welcome to my channel MathX World. Students, today we will learn how to find cube root of any number. We have to find cube root of 1728. So let's start. First step is we have to find prime factors of 1728. So let's start. We start with 2. 2 9s are 8s are 16, 12 to 6 are 12 and 2 4s are 8. Got it? Again with 2. 2 4s are 8. 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4. Again with 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. 12 to 6 are 12. Again with 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 8s are 16. 0. 2 5s are 10. 2 4s are 8. Again with 2. 2 2s are 4. And 14 to 7s are 14. 3 9s are 27. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. So students, cube root of 1728 is equal to cube root of its prime factors, which are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. Now what we have to do, we have to make pairs of 3. 1 2 3, 1 2 3, second pair 3 be 3 times another pair. So we can write this as 2 power 3 multiplied by 2 power 3 multiplied by 3 power 3. Now, these 3 powers and cube root will cut. We are left with 2 into 2 into 3. We have to multiply these. 2 into 2 4, 4 into 3 12. So students, cube root of 1728 is equal to 12. Hopefully students you get the point. If you have any doubt you can ask in comment section. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.